Hello guys, it's Dale here with the Daily Levels commentary for the 22nd of August 2017. Let's go into the euro dollar. As you can see, there was a strong buying activity yesterday which stopped right at our short level at 18.24. There was a nice and sharp reaction to that level, so I took a profit there. You can also see that there were two more nice reactions to that level, so this level was definitely a pretty strong one. And as far as today's trading is concerned, I had to discard two levels we had. The first level I had to discard was at 1782. I discarded that because there was a reaction which came 2 pips sooner, and there was a 9.3 pip reaction right there. So for that reason I discarded this long level. And the second long level that I had to discard was right there at 1763. The reaction came 1 pip sooner, and the reaction was 8.5 pip reaction. So for that reason I also discarded that level. So unfortunately I didn't take any of those. And as far as current levels are concerned, I have one new short level at 1790. The reason for that level is this strong volume cluster that got accumulated within this strong selling activity right there. I think that those volumes were accumulated by strong sellers that were pushing the price lower. And for that reason I'll be waiting for a pullback to this area, and I think that it will be a nice opportunity to enter a short trade from there. There's also a long trade that I like to take. The level is 1740, and the reason for that long level are those heavy volumes that got accumulated in this sideways price action right before this strong buying activity started. I think that those volumes were volumes of strong buyers accumulating their buying positions there and finally pushing the price upwards. So for that reason I think that if there is a pullback, those strong buyers will be defending their buying positions and they'll push the price upwards once more. There's also a second long level that I like to trade. It's a bit older level from 1697, and it's based on this strong rejection of lower prices. And I think that this rejection was made by strong and aggressive buyers that were adding mostly to their positions right there. They accumulated most of their positions right there in this area, and for that reason I think that those strong buyers will be defending their positions if the price comes back to this area, and they'll be pushing the price upwards once more. Let's go into the Australian dollar, US dollar. There are two new trades that I like to trade today. The first one is at 79.15. The reason behind that short level is this volume cluster that was created within this area, and I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers that were adding to their selling positions and pushing the price lower. So I'll be waiting for a pullback to this area and I'll go short from there. My second short level is at 79.41. The reason for that short level are those heavy volumes which are a little bit higher actually on futures. The point of control is right there where our short level is on futures data, and I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers that started this strong sell-off, and if there is a pullback to this area, those strong sellers will become aggressive again and they'll try to push the price lower once more. Apart from those short levels, I also have a long level that I like and that I'd like to trade. It's at 78.95, and the reason for that long level are those heavy volumes that got accumulated in this sideways price action. After that there was rejection of lower prices and strong buying activity, which indicates pretty strong buyers were most likely accumulating their buying positions right there. So I'm waiting for a pullback to this area, and when the price comes there, I'll enter my long position. Let's go into the US dollar, Canadian dollar. As you can see, it's under strong selling pressure right now. You can see some aggressive sellers, for example, there and right there. For that reason, I'm interested only in short trades, and I won't be taking any long trades. There is one long level that would be very nice to take if there wasn't the downtrend I was talking about. It would be a level around 25.57, but I won't be trading that long level because of the downtrend on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. So the only level we're gonna have in the immediate area on the US dollar, Canadian dollar is gonna be 26.54. It's an older level based on those volumes that were accumulated probably by strong sellers that started this aggressive selling activity, and I think that those sellers will be defending their selling positions if the price comes back to this area. Other than that, I don't really have any more short positions in the immediate area that I would like. Let's have a look at the US dollar, Japanese yen. Unfortunately, there aren't any new viable levels that I'd like to trade in the immediate area. However, I would like to have a look at today's short trade from Asian session from 109.23. If you were at the computer, it was best to avoid trading that level, because there was a reaction. It came 3 pips sooner, and it was a 12 pip reaction to that level. So if you were at the computer, it was best to discard that level. If you weren't at the computer, and if you were trading using limit orders as I was, you enter the position right there, and when you came back to computer in the morning, you came back around in this area, around this area in the morning, and you saw that there was a rotation above the short level, and you could also see that the short level started to work as a strong support zone. You can see that the price bounced off that zone right there and a little bit right there, and for those reasons, first reason was that you shouldn't be in a trade at all because it was tested. Second reason, it started to work as a support zone. Third reason, rotation above the level. For those three reasons, the best option was to leave the position right there at break even when you came back to the computer in the morning. So that was the best thing to do. If you were trading just simple limit orders without any position management, it was a stop loss for you. I will count it as a stop loss in my official results. But really the best thing, the only logical best thing that you could do was leave the position right there at break even. So guys, those are today's intraday levels. I look forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!